Beshi, 18 days to go and it's Christmas! As promised, ipapasyal ko kayo to see what Christmas looks like in Baguio. Our third stop, Botanical Garden. Baguio Botanical Garden is located on Leonard Wood Road between Wright Park and Teachers Camp. There's an entrance fee of 100 pesos for tourists and 50 pesos for Baguio residents. The prices may change depending on your age and if you're a PWD. And to complete our OOTD, we can't miss these flashy headbands. Baguio Botanical Garden is open as early as 7 a.m. from Monday to Sunday. The Christmas lighting starts at 6 p.m. until 11 p.m. every day.
For today's video, nandito tayo sa Botanical Garden. So mga beshi, pag nandito kayo sa Botanical, huwag niyong kakalimutan pumunta dito. Kasi masarap yun. Ako dito, leg yung soup lahat. Ayan, yung order namin.
This year's Christmas theme is called Metamorphosis. And through these decorations and lightings, the Baguio Botanical Gardens wants us to transform our hearts, to rekindle the flames of compassion, and to illuminate the path to kindness. Thanks for watching mga beshi. Don't forget to react, comment, share, and follow me on Facebook. See you on my next videos. Bye!